Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the topic sustainability in which focus on economic sustainability. Okay, economic sustainability. Okay, this is what I'm going to focus because sustainability. There are three videos related to three. There are three topics related to sustainability in this topic, I have discussed about social sustainability in the previous video. Uh, Now, this video, I'm going to talk about economic sustainability, and the next video, I'm going to talk about environmental sustainability. Okay, you can refer to my book. Okay, here. Okay, so let's begin the lecture. Okay. What is economic sustainability? Economic sustainability in manufacturing. Okay. Uh, th- what is different? Economic sustainability it focus on achieving profitability alongside environmental and social responsibilities within the manufacturing sector. Okay, it is a global pressure for sustainable manufacturing with rising environmental concern. Industries are urged to develop models that are balance profit with sustainable practices. Challenges path to sustainability, which is resource efficiency, waste reduction, and market volatility that represent significant challenges to manufacturers. Okay, this is the problem of economic sustainability. Okay, we want to maintain our operation for the longer time, for the longest time as possible lah. Okay, we must make it profitable uh, as much as possible. Okay, this is called economic sustainability lah, alongside with environmental and alongside with social sustainability. Okay, important of economic sustainability in the manufacturing sector. Key concept and case study: balance of variable for profitability and responsibility. So although we want to make a profit, we must also be responsible to our environment. Let's say you want to make housing development. You in making this housing development, you have to cut all the trees, uh, go for the land and the soil and everything. So it will damage the environment and everything, but how can we make it sustainable? uh, we must take measures to replace it with all the things that we have to cut lah. Okay, let's say that's for the example of housing development lah. Also, the carbon responsibility allocation model, a model proposed by Zhang and Shi, 2025, shows profitability can align with emission reduction through sustainable process, and also integrating multi-source information fusion (MSIF) by Oki et al. And suggests using MSIF for resource allocation and process optimization in manufacturing and enhancing resilience. MSIF ni, in other words, in simpler words, meaning that uh, uh, we have the big data lah. We all data that we have, we integrate all these things, and then we can decide for all the best things that we can do for to saving our environmental, social, and economic lah. Okay. Key challenges in economic sustainability. Of course, everything have challenges. There are obstacles like resource scarcity, such as, for example, the fuel for our car, the fuel for our vehicles. One day it will depleted all the fuels. One day, okay. Um, so how should we do? What should we do for that? Okay. Regulatory pressures on carbon emission, new laws and regulation require manufacturers to reduce their environmental footprint, demanding adaptation in both process and technologies, meaning that we have to save environment. For let's say for the vehicle that we use, we want that vehicle to reduce less carbon lah, less carbon dioxide to to the to the environment. Okay. So maybe we opt to the electrical vehicle. Maybe lah. That is another issue lah. Okay, market volatility and demand fluctuation and unpredictable market switch require manufacturing system to be adaptable to maintain profitability under changing condition. Okay, so also we have market volatility, like say, I always give example for your handset. Okay, your handset that you use, it always be changing. Okay, this year you buy this asset, next year you become obsolete. Okay, it become newer product come, new features and everything. So this is market volatility, for example. Okay, increasing resource scarcity. This is discussed already. Meaning the growing the global demand for resource intensifies scarcity, global intensity and decarbonization, and supply chain resilient. Okay, design resilient supply chain such as bioethanol, it mitigates disruption and optimize cost through sustainable decision making. So we're talking about using bioethanol, bio product and everything. Then the uh, things that we might overlook is that the same sauce, the bio sauce, the same sauce that we use for food, and then we use for oil. So how can we eat? And these are the things that always we uh let's say we produce the palm oil, the palm oil to become oil that we eat, we cook our food lah. And that the same palm oil we use for the fuel. Okay, is it enough for us to eat, or is it enough for us to fuel our car? This is the things that we have to consider, whether it is enough supply or not. Okay, for the whole nation and everything. Okay, uh, current challenges in economic sustainability, also the cost-effective carbon reduction, green innovation. Okay, this is the things that people have done research on it. Green hydrogen innovation, promising alternative to fossil fuels, support local economies, but faces high initial cost for technological infrastructure. This technology is still ongoing. Okay, it's very costly to adapt to this situation. Okay, renewable energy cluster, like we have seen our solar pumps and everything, you will see everywhere. You will go some places that put solar panels on the roof of your of the houses, uh to reduce the cost of electricity and everything. Okay, resource energy indicators, KPIs for sustainable products focus on greenhouse gas reduction and waste minimization, crucial for competitive sustainable practices. Okay. Uh, Supply chain vulnerabilities. Okay, lean principle to reduce waste framework like lean focus on minimizing Mura and Muda. Okay, Muri overburden, Mura unevenness, and Muda waste, enhancing supply chain efficiency. And supply chain optimization models in petrochemical sectors account for carbon reduction and resilience, ensuring cost-efficient supply chain synchronization. Safety and economic trade-off, optimizing carbon capture and utilization networks, balancing economic cost with safety, crucial in managing hazardous materials. Innovation in life cycle analysis. Key role of energy efficiency. It will assess energy quality loss, providing key metric for sustainable manufacturing evaluation. Real-time exergy analysis, continuous monitoring of exergy levels help in optimizing energy use and minimize environmental impacts. Economic impact, real-time energy analysis supports cost saving and energy conservation, crucial for long-term sustainability. Okay lah. This is innovation in life cycle analysis, meaning that from uh, from the moment that the product is from raw material until it become the product, and then it become used for by the customer, and then it ends with the damage and everything you throw away. There is a recycle life cycle analysis, whether that uh we can recycle it or not. We try our best to recycle everything, but again, recycling is costly lah. Okay, so okay, reduction strategies using method like Pareto analysis and fuzzy theory, identify and eliminate waste, fostering efficiency and economic sustainability. Let's say you have a waste, you have a lot of waste. From that waste, how many percentage that you can recycle. Maybe 60% that you can recycle. Another 40% you cannot do anything. You have to incinerate and everything lah. Kan? This happens lah. Framework for sustainability assessment, incorporating sustainable standard like ISO 14000 to assess environmental impact alongside economic metrics. Energy efficiency optimization like hierarchical frameworks for synchronizing production cycle, reducing CO2 emission and aligning with sustainability goals. Okay. Key performance indicators is for sustainable manufacturing, okay, like KPI in green manufacturing, KPI such as waste reduction, energy efficiency are essential in aligning manufacturing goal with sustainable targets, helping firm to minimize costs while improving environmental impact. Economic dimension of KPI, key economic KPIs includes life cycle cost, resource optimization and energy use metric, which supports cost-effective, resource efficient manufacturing. Sector-specific KPI implementation, which is we integrate KPIs into regional focused manufacturing strategies, aids in resource education, ensuring that sustainability align with local economy and environmental goals. Okay, and then renewable energy cluster and economic resilience. Okay, also we should support local economic growth. Okay, like let's say for your product, you produce something, the raw material we hire farmers and everything to produce the raw material for us. Along way we also support the local product lah, the local economic growth. Okay, strategic resource utilization clusters and leverage local resource, optimizing energy production and distribution within the community while supporting a sustainable manufacturing practice. Place-based energy strategies, implementing cluster require place-based approach, which ensure alignment with regional socio-economic needs and resource availability. Okay. In future direction in resource management and sustainability, like for example, innovation in lithium recovery and sustainable extraction. Lithium ni is most famous now in electric vehicles lah. Okay, it will need lithiums. Also you have the battery, double A, triple A battery. Also we need lithium. Okay, lithium is very much needed. So how do we recycle it? Okay, how do we make it recover and how to recycle it? Energy methods such as flow electrode capacity deionization offer more efficient environmental friendly lithium extraction, reducing waste energy usage. Economic gains from waste reduction, efficient extraction and reduce material waste, lower operational costs, enhancing economic viability of sustainable manufacturing practice. Sustainable resource management, is this developing cost-effective and scalable methods for resource extraction supports economic sustainability by minimizing resource dependency in material intensive industries. Okay, that's all for the video right now. Inshallah, we meet in the next video, which is focused on environmental sustainability. Okay. Okay. Thank you very